Good morning, guys. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this. It's just a basic strap that you can add to any clutch or wristlet or any zip pouch after the fact. So if you forgot to add it when you were sewing it, or perhaps you have a best friend who asked you to sew some basic zip pouches and said she didn't need a strap, and then after you send her the bags, she decides, yeah, maybe a strap would be helpful after all. This is the way to solve that problem. This way you don't have to rip your whole bag apart just so you can carry it around on your wrist. It's really quick and easy to do. You'll just need a few basic supplies. You'll need a piece of fabric that measures 2 inches by 13 inches, your split ring, some clips, some coordinating thread, and scissors. The first thing you want to do is iron your fabric in half. And from there, you're going to fold each long side in to meet the center crease. Iron that in place, and then fold it in half one more time. This way you have no raw edges, except for on the ends. Place a couple clips along the fabric to hold it in place. Put one end of the fabric through the split ring. This is pretty important, otherwise there is literally no point in doing this. You would be sewing just a big loop of fabric. Open up each end and place it right sides together. Next, you're going to sew straight down where you put those two pieces right sides together. Fold the raw edges back in. Now you have something that looks like a small dog collar. Unless you have a Chihuahua, then it looks like a large dog collar. From there, you're going to sew down each side of the loop really close to the edge. That will sew shut the opening on one side, as well as giving it a nice top stitch finish on both sides. Just keep moving the split ring around as you're sewing so it doesn't get in the way. What you're going to do next is find where your seam is, place your split ring over top of that seam, which will hide it, and then sew a straight stitch close to the edge of that ring. This will keep the ring in place so it doesn't move around. Go back and forth over this a few times to make it really secure. Clip any loose threads. All you have to do next is attach it to your zipper pull and you're done. So it ends up looking like this. As you can see, the keychain part is attached right to the end of the zipper. You can put this on your wrist, open the bag, close it back up, and you're on your way. How easy is that?